Welcome to our exploration of the rapidly evolving world of human-robot relationships. As technology advances, robots are becoming more than just tools. They're becoming companions and caregivers. But what does this mean for our society? In this video, we'll delve into the development of these robots, the ethical concerns they raise, and the ongoing debate about their role in our emotional and social lives. The journey to create robots capable of companionship and caregiving is a blend of cutting-edge AI, machine learning, and robotics. These machines are designed to understand human emotions, respond to our needs, and even anticipate our desires. Take Pepper, for example, a humanoid robot that can engage in conversations and recognize human emotions, making it a popular choice in retail and healthcare environments. Surgeons can now perform delicate operations with robotic precision, while in agriculture, farmers use drones and machines to optimize crop production. Collaborating with robots means safer workplaces, higher efficiency, and even better customer experiences. But it's not just about technology. It's about creating a future where humans and robots work side by side, each bringing their strengths to the table. From retail to healthcare, robots like Pepper are setting the stage for a future where machines play an integral role in our daily lives. As these robots become more integrated into our lives, ethical concerns emerge. Can we truly form genuine relationships with machines? For vulnerable groups like children and the elderly, these connections can feel real, emotional bonds built with machines that simulate affection. But is this genuine? Or are we being deceived by robots' ability to mimic human emotions? The lines between real and artificial are blurring, raising critical ethical questions about the future of human-robot relationships. This is a critical question, especially when it comes to vulnerable populations like the elderly or children, who might develop deep emotional bonds with these robots. Robots like Paro, designed to comfort and reduce stress in elderly patients, show the potential benefits, but they also highlight the risks of substituting human interaction with machines. In Japan, where 1 in 3 people is aged 65 or older, the country faces an unprecedented challenge: a critical shortage of caregivers. The aging population continues to grow, and with it, the demand for long-term care. But Japan, a leader in technological innovation, has turned to a surprising ally to meet this challenge: robots. Meet Robiar, one of Japan's caregiving robots. Designed with the sole purpose of assisting in physically demanding tasks, Robiar is the future of elder care in Japan. Its gentle demeanor and advanced technology allow it to handle delicate tasks, like helping elderly patients move from their beds to wheelchairs or assisting with walking. But why is this robotic solution becoming so crucial? Caregiving is an emotionally rewarding but physically demanding job. On average, caregivers in Japan assist multiple patients in a single day, often having to lift or support them, a task that can take a serious toll on their own health. With fewer young people entering the workforce, the burden on caregivers has become overwhelming. Robots like Robiar step in, quite literally, to ease that burden. By sharing the workload with machines, caregivers can devote more time to the emotional well-being of their patients, providing companionship, comfort, and human connection. Robots are not a replacement for people, but a complement, enabling caregivers to do what they do best while preserving their own health. Japan's embrace of robotics in caregiving is a glimpse into the future, where human-robot collaboration can create a more compassionate, sustainable model of care. As the world continues to face aging populations, this blend of empathy and innovation could offer a global solution to a universal challenge. With technology and humanity working hand in hand, the future of elder care looks a little brighter. The future of human-robot relationships is filled with both promise and challenge. As we continue to push the boundaries of what robots can do, we must also carefully consider the ethical implications. Can robots truly fulfill the emotional and social roles traditionally held by humans? The answer to that question will shape the future of our society. Robots are evolving beyond simple machines. Advanced AI allows robots to assist in fields like healthcare, education, and customer service. From caring for the elderly to offering companionship to the lonely, robots hold the promise of reducing human labor and emotional strain in many areas of life. Imagine robots capable of identifying emotions, understanding human needs, and offering personalized interactions. However, as promising as this sounds, a robot's ability to truly replicate human emotions is still debated. Can a robot understand love, empathy, or sorrow? Even with sophisticated algorithms, robots may never develop genuine emotional depth. Emotional relationships require authenticity, an area where robots currently fall short. This challenge raises critical questions about what it means to have meaningful human connections in the presence of AI. Allowing robots to take on social roles traditionally held by humans raises a variety of ethical concerns. Will humans become too reliant on robots for emotional support? Could this lead to a decline in human-to-human connections? And what about privacy? Should robots that act as companions be allowed to collect personal data from intimate interactions? These are profound ethical questions that society must grapple with as robots become more integrated into our lives. Some argue that human-like robots could bridge the gap between machines and emotional fulfillment. Humanoid robots are designed to look and behave like us, making interactions feel more natural. But this comes with its own set of challenges. The uncanny valley phenomenon, where robots appear almost human but not quite, can make interactions unsettling. Moreover, does the creation of human-like robots diminish the uniqueness of human relationships? The future of human-robot relationships depends on how we choose to integrate robots into society. Will robots remain tools to assist with tasks, or will they evolve into entities with which we share deeper connections? It is crucial that we find a balance, leveraging the incredible potential of robots while ensuring they do not erode the emotional and social fabric that defines us as humans. As we move into an era where human-robot relationships become central to our daily lives, we are faced with choices. These aren't just technical decisions, but ethical ones, decisions that will shape the core of our society. Robots could become our partners in innovation and care, yet how we integrate them will define whether they enhance or diminish our humanity. The future is a delicate balance of potential and risk. The technology we develop today has the power to empower us, but it also holds the potential to create distance between us. This journey is about more than technical progress. It's about ensuring that our relationship with machines enriches the human experience rather than eroding it. Building trust in these relationships is key. A successful future depends not on the efficiency of robots alone, but on how thoughtfully we design systems that promote fairness and empathy. By prioritizing ethical development, we ensure that robots serve as extensions of our values, promoting inclusivity and mutual respect. Human-robot cooperation should not merely focus on task completion, but on fostering a deeper partnership. When we align our creativity, compassion, and intelligence with the precision of robotics, we unlock new possibilities for solving complex challenges. This collaboration holds the potential to make breakthroughs that neither humans nor machines could achieve alone. Robots must remain tools of empowerment, not agents of alienation. The choices we make now, from design to regulation, will shape not just how robots function, but how they fit into the fabric of human life. By holding on to our core principles, we can ensure a future where robots augment human potential rather than replace it. If we approach these advancements with care and wisdom, the future will be one where humans and robots walk side by side, working together to build a better, more harmonious world.